राखी मित्रा। श्याम तेरी बंसी पुकारे राधा नाम, श्याम तेरी बंसी पुकारे राधा नाम। राधा का भी श्याम हो तो मीरा का भी श्याम, राधा का भी श्याम हो तो मीरा का भी श्याम। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहता है भगवान सोते नहीं। माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। Why did I sing both these songs? People must have understood. Sri Krishna, Bhagavan Krishna, belongs to everybody. It does not belong to a particular part of India. It belongs to us Hindus in its entirety. If he was Radha ka Krishna, he was also Meera ka Krishna. If he was the son of Janki, then he was also the son of Yashoda. So this war that is going on between the Hindus, somehow I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे इसलिए पसंद नहीं आ रहा है कि somehow we seem to be falling into the trap of Gorgo Chatterjee and his communist gang. कृष्ण हमारा, माँ काली तुम्हारी. No. कृष्ण हमारा भी, कृष्ण तुम्हारा भी, कृष्ण हम सबका, हम सबका. Otherwise, what is the importance of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? People need to learn their history books. वृंदावन में बहुत सारे मंदिर हैं जिनमें जो मूर्तियाँ पाई गई थी वो चैतन्य महाप्रभु के कुछ शिष्यों ने सपने में देखा था. And then those idols were dug out and established in the temples. So you cannot say कि कृष्ण तुम मेरा, माँ काली तुम्हारी. He belongs to all of us. अब let me come to the point of discussion. A song, a Baul song, which has been used by Anushka Sharma in one of her trash movies. Why I will call it a trash? It does not have a particular story. It's a khichdi made from 3-4 stories. Hound of the Baskervilles, 20 Saal Baad, Bengali Charu Lota, Debi. सबका खिचड़ी बना के she's made a movie called Bulbul. Because she has put in a song, a Baul song there. Radha Kalankini and Kanu Haramzada. Means Krishna. Radha is Kalankini and Krishna is being called Haramzada. एक बात पूछूं. This song, when was it written? More than 100 years back. The people who are hearing this song today and fighting over it, let me tell you one thing. ये बाउल संगीत जो है ना, it used to be sung in the villages. गांव में वो लोग गाते थे with their ektara and they used to go around begging. So Baul was never in the mainstream song. जैसे हम लोग का रविंद्र संगीत है, जितना नजरुल गीती है, इसमें एक बाउल कभी नहीं आया है. Today people are hearing it because it has been put in that movie. And that is the reason we are fighting amongst ourselves. But why should we? जब मूवी में कृष्ण को हरामजादा बोला जाता है and people are feeling bad about it, तो उसी मूवी में माँ काली को we worship her as the goddess of power, Shakti. She has been portrayed as a witch. So why are we accepting that? Why are we accepting another Netflix series which is being released by the name Krishna and his Leelas, in which Krishna को देखा गया है with his different sexual exploits, and one of the girls is named Radha. My question to the nationalists is, आपस में न लड़के, why don't we fight together? Why should we fight together? Because why do we always find that these people like Anushka Sharma and her types, they portray only our gods and goddesses as such? Why don't I give Anushka Sharma an idea कि अनुष्का एक मूवी तो बना लिया 4 स्टोरी का खिचड़ी बना के, so why don't you make a movie on Taslima Nasreen's book Lodja? Let me see how secular you are, how liberal you are. Let me see the guts you have. Because Taslima was thrown out of her country for writing that book. Those who haven't read it, try to find it. Why not? लिखो ना. She was thrown out of her country and fatwa jari hua tha. So why doesn't Anushka Sharma have the guts to do it? Why is it always the gods of Hindus, gods and goddesses of Hindus? And why don't we fight it together? Mera Krishna and Tumhara Kali, that doesn't work. Krishna Tumhara bhi, Krishna Meera ka bhi, Krishna Radha ka bhi, Krishna sare jag ka. You cannot say that. I have been reading many posts on this. That is the reason I sang the songs. So fight it together. Nationalists, जिन लोग जागे हुए हो ना, instead of fighting amongst each other, कि why did you people, you Bengalis, hear this song? We Bengalis never heard it. Believe me, शहर में तो कोई नहीं सुनता था बाउल. It is after this 1992, इसके बाद वो लोक गीति को मेन स्ट्रीम में लाया गया, and after that people started hearing baul. That too, not everybody. It's a local folk song जो गांव में गाते थे and भिक्षा मांगते थे. So it was never a part of Bengali mainstream. So stop blaming the Bengalis for hearing this song. And we didn't write it. We are nationalists. हम काली की भी पूजा करते हैं, हम दुर्गा की भी करते हैं, हम श्री कृष्ण की भी करते हैं, हम पूरी सनातन धर्म की पूजा करते हैं. So we don't differentiate. And high time we should stop fighting amongst ourselves. Because in this particular war, we are giving space to people like Gorgo and Rodur. Don't give that. Don't give them that space. उनके लिए तो मज़ा आ रहा है. Let the Hindus fight. Why didn't the people who are talking about Sri Krishna being called Haramzada and the Bengalis not objecting, आप लोगों को फिल्म देख के पता नहीं चला कि what she was portraying Maa Kali as? I did not watch it. I don't watch trash. Believe me, I don't watch trash. But I heard it and then I saw it. Because of the controversy. Aren't we people making her more famous? Otherwise आप लोगों को भी तो कभी पता ही नहीं चलता. Did you ever hear बाउल संगीत? No. आप मेरे को बोलो ना 2-4 बाउल संगीत का लाइन बताने. I won't be able to because I'm not interested in listening to it. Because she put it in the song and I will tell you she put it purposely. हर चीज़ ये लोग करते हैं ना, these liberals and seculars, there's a plan behind it. Take it from me. आज मैं जो बोल रही हूँ, take it from me. There was a plan behind it. In putting that particular song in a Hindi movie. लड़ा दो इनको आपस में. These people are getting united. Stop doing that. Bollywood में हिंदू फोबिया है. But we can't be their शिकार ना. Why should we? बंद करो. And let us fight Anushka Sharma and her types together. Let us take the war to social media. लड़ाई वहाँ लड़ते हैं ना, बंद करवा देते हैं ना उनकी नेटफ्लिक्स की सीरीज. कृष्ण एंड हिज लीलाज बंद करवा देते हैं ना, देखते हैं ना हम लोग में कितना दम है, isn't it? That should be our war. आपस में लड़ना नहीं। राधा का भी श्याम हो तो मीरा का भी श्याम। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।